Okay, in case you had questions about the homework, remember here's how we kind of talked about it in class. There's lots of different ways to do it, but I'm just going to talk about one way to find the lapse time. Here we have 7:54 and we have until 12:16. We're trying to figure out how many minutes this is, how many hours and minutes this is away from each other. Well, if we make it a little easier on ourselves and change this in our minds to 12:54, then it would be an even amount of hours. So I'm just going to count up from 7:54 to 12:54 for now to pretend like I'm getting that more of a rounded amount of hours. Okay, so here we go. So we're starting at 7:54, 8:54, 9:54, 10:54, 11:54, 12:54. Well now, if it was 12:54, it would be 5 hours. But it's not quite 12:54, it's 12:16. So we know that it's going to be 4 hours, and it's not going to be this 5 hours. Okay, so we know for right now, we know we're going to have 4 hours and some kind of minutes, some minutes. The way to figure out the minutes is you start with 54, subtract 16, and I'm getting that from here and here, and that becomes 14, and that is 4. 14 minus 16, I know you know, is 8. 4 minus 1 is 3. Now, this is only the difference for right now between these two numbers. It's not part of our answer yet. What we first have to do is subtract 38 from 60. The reason why we subtract 38 from 60 is because there's 60 minutes in an hour. There's a total amount, well, let me do this first. So we're going to subtract, we have to borrow from over here, 10 minus 8, 2, 2. So the answer would be 4 hours and 22 minutes. This was number 1 on the homework, try your other ones using this technique of making it easy on yourself, taking 7:54 to 12:54, and then going through and these steps and subtracting. First, remember these are the minutes right here, and then whatever you have left over, you have to subtract that from 60 because there's 60 minutes in an hour.